Welcome everyone! Today my little helper and I are going to make some ceramic snowmen. Now the supplies can be pretty simple because you can use any type of clay, whether it's air dry or oven bake, or we are going to use earthenware clay, which needs to be fired in the kiln, which you may not have access to, so you can use any type of clay really. And then you can add paint, or we are going to add glaze. And then lastly, you'll just need a pipe cleaner and some type of glue. My recommendations would be hot glue gun, or my favorite type of permanent glue is E6000. First, squeeze it into a ball.
Mine's already like a ball.
Squeeze it so it's not so lumpy. Smooth it out a little bit. You can roll it around. That's pretty good. All right, and put it in the middle here of your board.
You think this is good?
Smash it down.
You think this is a good ball?
Yeah, smash it down. Nope, like this. Okay. Nope, don't hit it. Flip it over. Smush it.
Mommy, remember?
Yeah, you can smooth it. Now,
Smooth the cracks.
you roll it a
Smooth the
little bit
cracks.
from the middle. Smooth my cracks afterwards, so it's nice and round. Right?
Mommy, but this can smooth your cracks. Look, see,
Roll
because it rolls it around.
From the middle.
Oh, roll it from the middle.
Yeah. You don't want it too long, though.
Is this good?
Yeah. Roll it a little bit this way. Okay. Now, nice and smooth.
Try to get puddle.
Edges.
Let's go. I'll feel the sleep. There's a big crack. Look at that big one.
Yeah, it's already just smooth it out.
You can make his carrot nose back. I'm just moving.
Give you a piece. Look.
There you go.
All right, roll it up.
Wally poly. Look.
Okay, now look.
Poly.
Roll it a little bit so it's. Nope, that's too long.
Wait, roll it like. I think I need to just grab a little.
Now, if it's too big, cut it.
Cutty,
Catch it.
We're just making a snowman face, right, Mom? Not a snowman.
Right,
body.
it's a big face.
That's a big.
All right, now if it's too long, cut it in half. That's good. Cut it in half.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's all right. Right here?
Yeah, that's good. Okay, good. That's good. Now pick it up.
Scrunchie
Right in the
down.
middle where you want it
Mommy,
to go.
I'm gonna put it right here. Put that,
Yep.
and then stick it
Okay.
on. So right
In the middle,
like
to the
this.
side. Yep. Okay. Now we're gonna make his eyes. Here. So we're
Are
gonna.
you videoing this?
Yeah.
Just saying.
All right. So we're gonna make his eyes. So we're gonna roll it into balls.
We need big balls so we can make a little ball. Or we can just do stick with it. If yours has big balls.
Yeah.
Okay, mine's gonna have.
Put a little bit of this.
Oh,
So it sticks better.
Mommy, can you do on there? Mom, that was a little too much.
That's okay. It'll dry. Then we're gonna make a whole bunch of little ones for his mouth.
Oh, my eyes are really big.
Yeah, so try to make...
I think I should make pimples.
Yeah. Good idea. I'll do that too.
Should I do that for you?
Yep.
So this is gonna look like this. Mommy, I put mine all the way until it got too long.
I think I might need like 5. So like take little pieces off.
Okay. I don't know. I think you can do like this if you want. Can you make some for me? Because
I only need 4. You can have that one.
Oh, thanks.
I think that might be too big. Break it in half.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good.
I think mine's gonna be a girl.
Mine's gonna be a boy. That means I don't need those, right? If mine's a boy, right, Mom?
Yeah. Mine's on mine.
Yeah, I want lines on my nose too, so it looks like wheels.
Here, wait.
Oh yeah. Boop. Mine only needs 3. See, mine only needed 3.
Yeah, how about one more right there? Yeah, then it's a bigger
Mommy, I actually need 4. And I thought
need that one.
I thought you meant.
All right, now here, we're gonna roll 2 balls. We're gonna give earmuffs.
Mommy, wait. Lines on my nose.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Mine.
Not too.
Ah. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
Okay. All right, so you're gonna roll those 2 into a ball.
A big ball.
Smush them in our hand.
Mine kind of looks like a.
So you're gonna put them on.
What does mine kind of look like? It looks like a.
Snowman face?
Whoa. It kind of looks like a robot. Well, actually a little. This has to go right here so it's not touching my nose. Why does it have to touch my
You're
nose?
gonna overlap them right there. Good, so we're not too hard. Okay, that's good.
Muffy,
We're gonna do it like this. We're gonna overlap it a little bit right here, so it sticks.
Can you do it? Like this?
Yep.
Cut it off. Oh, like this. Like put part of it on the floor.
And then we're gonna put like the pipe cleaner across there.
Big. So that means I gotta do this. So kind of looks like it has a ginormous eel.
Yeah, it does look like ears right now.
No, it looks like on mine. It looks like it has one ginormous eel and one little eel that you can't even see. One looks like one does it actually look like?
There.
And
Cute.